Yung mga regalo na ginamit ko, halos pang lalaki.
Okay. Among anything to say po, ayan po, nakalala. Anything to say po na yung word. Sige, nakalala. Apo.
Mamay yung papel mo.
Tingnan.
Okay, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Yay!
Mas maganda yung boses nyo kaysa sa choir kanina.
Okay, among video message po.
May video message. Okay. Now that I'm 63, there is nothing that I can say except thank you. Thank you for everything. Everything is grace. All the things that happen today are unplanned, but they happen because God is always graceful. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Happy birthday!